Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to discuss about the projectile motion. So a projectile motion is a movement of objects that is projected into the air, and the only force that is acting upon it is gravitational force. So this motion is a combination of both horizontal and vertical motion. So in this, the horizontal and vertical motions are mutually perpendicular directions and are independent of each other. So let's see an example for this projectile motion. An example for projectile motion is a ball thrown into the ground. Now this ball takes a path of parabolic, and the path is also called trajectory. So the graphical representation of this projectile motion is shown here, and here the two velocities are considered. The green one represents the vertical velocity and the red line represents the horizontal velocity, and the center line represents the maximum height. So let's talk about the velocity components. Let u be the initial velocity, then u cos theta is the horizontal component of velocity along x-axis, and u sin theta is the vertical component of the velocity along y-axis, and h is the maximum height of the object. So if you talk about the horizontal and the vertical motion, there are two things that is responsible for type of motion. The first one is the uniform velocity, which is responsible for the horizontal motion of the object or the motion of the object along the x-axis. And the second thing is the uniform acceleration, and this is what makes the vertical motion of object or the motion of the object along y-axis. So the next one is, what are the parameters calculated in projectile motion? So the first one is, you can calculate initial velocity, acceleration due to gravity, final velocity, displacement, and time. These are all the parameters that can be calculated in projectile motion. So these are all about the projectile motion. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.